India is known for its cultural heritage and is also famous for its languages, agriculture, and handicraft products. India is first in global jute production and shares 63% of global textile and garment market. India is second in global textile manufacturing and also second in silk and cotton production. 100% FDI is allowed via automatic route in textile sector. So let's know which district of India is famous for its textile.
इटली है मेरे यार, बस इश्क मोहब्बत प्यार।
Delhi. Officially, the National Capital Territory of Delhi is a city and union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. It is popular for its historical monuments to Paratha Wali Gali, Chandni Chowk, but doesn't have any specific handloom fabric. Andhra Pradesh is popular for its kalamkari. It evolved during the Mughal dynasty. It is used in wall hangings, bedsheets, curtains, and saris. Arunachal Pradesh is known for Mismi weaves. Here, the women of Mishmi tribes uses elaborate patterns made from straight lines, patterns, and diamond motifs. Assam is known for Muga silk. It is high value fabric and is used in products like saris, chaddars, etc. Bihar. Bihar is known for Bhagalpuri silk. It is valued for its rich texture and natural deep gold color. Chhattisgarh is known for Kosa silk and is also known for its sturdiness and its dull golden brownish look. Goa is known for Kunbi fabric. This is an almost extinct traditional sari that used to be worn by the Goan tribal Kunbi women before the advent of the Portuguese in the 16th century. Gujarat is known for Patola. Patola are a double ikkat woven sari usually made from silk. They are very expensive. Haryana is known for panjadaris. The panjadaris gets its name from a metallic claw-like tool called panja, used to beat and set the threads in the wrap. Himachal Pradesh is known for Kullu shawl, featuring various geometrical patterns and bright colors. These are worn by both men and women, but men's shawls are usually called lori. Jammu and Kashmir is known for Pashmina. As the fiber diameter of this fabric is very low, Pashmina has to be hand processed and woven into products such as shawls, scarves, wraps, throws, stoles, etc. Jharkhand is known for Kuchai silk. The cocoon for Kuchai silk is grown on sal and arjun trees, unlike most of other silk cocoons which are grown on mulberry bushes. Karnataka is known for Mysore silk. The growth of the silk industry in the kingdom of Mysore was first initiated during the reign of Tipu Sultan. Kerala is known for Kasavu saris. This elegant Kerala sari comes with off-white and golden border, unique for their natural color, texture, and golden border. Madhya Pradesh is known for Chanderi sari. It was found by Lord Krishna's cousin Shishupala. Traditional coin, floral art, peacocks, and geometrics are woven into different Chanderi patterns. Maharashtra is known for Pathani. It is characterized by borders of an oblique square design and a pallu with a peacock design. Plain as well as spotted designs are available. Meghalaya is known for Randia silk. It is one of the only silks extracted from cocoons without killing the silkworm. Hence, it is referred to as silk of peace. Mizoram is known for ponche. It is worn by women during celebrations and festivals. Nagaland is famous for cotton weaves. This fabric has a characteristic structural simplicity with a distinct color combination. The designs and colors vary between tribes and villages and reflect upon the wearer's stand in society. Odisha is famous for ikat, also known as bandha. Saris made out of this fabric features bands of brocade in the borders and also at the end of pallu. Punjab is very famous for its colorful fulkari. It is done with floss silk thread on coarse hand-woven cotton fabric. Rajasthan is known for sanganeri, sober, low-tone colors and delicate lines, creating final designs like the poppy, rose and lotus, usually against a white background, are a well-known feature of this fabric. Sikkim is known for lepcha weaves. The base of this fabric is prepared with cotton yarn and the main body is woven with the woolen yarn using different color yarns. Tamil Nadu is known for Kanchipuram silk. This fabric is woven from the pure mulberry silk thread. Telangana is known for Pochampally ikat. They are popular for their traditional geometric patterns in ikat style of dyeing. Tripura is known for risa. This fabric is generally categorized by vertical horizontal stripes with scattered motif in different colors. Uttar Pradesh is very popular for chikankari, believed to have been introduced by Noor Jahan, the wife of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. It is one of Lucknow's best known textile decoration styles. Uttarakhand is known for woolen weaves. The beautiful hills of Uttarakhand are the adobe of the craft of the weaving wool, initiated by the women of villages. West Bengal is known for Kantha saris. It is nothing but the humble running stitch. The motif of plants, animals, and fish are used to decorate the fabric.